What if everything you see was once unseen? We were told reality was solid, fixed, final. But science shows us it's not. Quantum physics reveals that everything comes from the invisible energy before matter, possibility before form. Scripture said it first. What is seen was made from what is not visible. Faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. The unseen is not unreal, it is the source. Every breakthrough starts with belief, every miracle with an inner shift. Before healing comes, faith shapes it. Before the door opens, vision spots it. Before your world changes, you do. Life doesn't start with circumstances, but with consciousness, identity, belief. If the invisible creates the visible, manifestation isn't mystical, it is natural law. 2026 isn't the year to wait for proof, it is the year to be the proof. Don't wait for reality to change. Shout first, and reality will follow.